Well, today is our last full day here at Mountain View outside of Canyon City, and I'm getting ready to cook us some steaks here in a bit. I thought I would show you my new weapon over there. Talk about that in a second. The skies have really opened up and it's turned beautiful. Blue skies with a little bit of clouds. We got a lot of heavy rain today, actually. Middle of the day, we had a big front come through here. And I'm glad to see it because Colorado needs it. And I looked at the radar and it looked like a lot of areas of Colorado is getting some of that rain. So hopefully that's going to help out with some of the fire situations that's been going on. But we had a great day. We went and did our adventure, took our drive up to Cripple Creek, had a lot of fun. That was a really fun adventure for us right there. So I was gonna cook steaks yesterday, but it was raining again yesterday, so we decided to go up the road there to the Whitewater Bar and Grill and just eat dinner there because it was raining. I didn't feel like cooking inside either. I like cooking outside when I can, so that's what we're gonna do. Let me show you my new little setup here. So because of the stage 2 fire ban in Colorado right now, you cannot cook with solid material such as wood, charcoal, or pellets. But you can use propane, LP gas. So any kind of cooker with LP gas, you can use that. So I went and picked this up at Ace Hardware over in Colorado Springs, just so that I would have a way I can still do some cooking out here. We can do some grilling. It's not going to be as good as my charcoal, you know, with my pit barrel or my other little charcoal Weber, but at least it's going to allow me to do some cooking there. So I have not used it yet. Actually, I just put it all together and looks like it's pretty good. I don't know, pretty good little grill put together there. This is a nice heavy grill grate that's been coated, and it's got the one burner down through there. I've already lit it and tested it, and it's working good. So we'll be able to use this through Colorado. I'm hoping at some point maybe the burn ban will be lifted, but who knows when that's going to be. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. This is a piece of aluminum, 1/4-inch aluminum, that I had picked up and cleaned up just to use as a top on top of the pit barrel for this right here. It was actually intended to be used for my charcoal Weber grill, but we're going to be using the gas grill instead. So we're going to do some steaks in a little bit. Abby just came out to join me. She's been taking a little nap in there.
Yes, I have. It was epic.
It's beautiful though, isn't it? Mm-hmm. You see we got the door open. It's in the 60s.
Yep.
Air temp is nice. And we're going to just enjoy the our last full day here. Just going to chill out here. I just cracked a beer. I'm going to drink a few beers. I'm going to cook some steaks. I think we're going to cook some mac and cheese to go with it. And that's about it. Tomorrow we're going to roll out, go to our next destination. All right, we got the Weber nice and hot. Here's our 2 steaks going on, a couple fillets. I picked these up at Safeway down in Manitou Springs. They've been seasoned for 24 hours now with salt and pepper and garlic. Put some olive oil on it. Let's see how the little Weber does. Ooh, it's smoking good. All right, time for a flip. Doing good. Looking good. All right, time for another flip. Okay, so far the little Weber's doing its job. All right, we're gonna do one more flip, cook for another 2 minutes, and then we'll temp them. I'm gonna try that little piece right there. It's searing it good. Wow, look at that. Okay. put the lid back on. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull them off there because I know that they are done. I want them medium rare. Abby picked us up these nice little cutting boards to keep in the camper. Whoa.
Watch it, sir.
All right, we're going to turn this off. I'm going to come back here in just a minute and clean it. All right, let's go ahead and cut in this guy and see what it looks like.
Oh,
I think we got us a nice medium rare steak right there. Look at that.
I think it looks.
All right, let me taste test it here.
This is a big test.
This is the first steak on the Weber propane grill. Not bad.
Pretty good, no smoke flavor.
No smoke flavor, but it's still good. Got that SPG on there. It's good. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
It's still a whole lot better than that steak I had over in Dodge City. A whole lot better. So we are going to eat our steak dinner. I know Abby's ready to cut into hers.
yes, she is.